Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video I am going to compare the speed, calculate the speed of the scientific calculator, that how much time it takes to calculate a definite integral of the function y is equal to x under root. In order to find this, when we draw a graph between draw the graph of the function y is equal to x under root, and take x is along x along horizontal axis and y along vertical axis. When we draw graphs, we get such a line, curved lines. And in order to calculate the area under the graphs, we have to take the definite integral from lower limit 0 to 1 x under root into dx. When we solve this equation, we can solve this equation by using the mathematics calculus formula or by using the rectangular method like this one. From 0 to 1 y into dx, we have to for this purpose we have to divide the x-axis from 0 to 1 into 10 equal parts. Delta x will be 1 minus 0 divided by 10, which delta x will becomes equal to 0.1. So this integration can be converted into sigma summation when limits start from 0 to 1. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1, and here x under root I is a variable, x under root and delta x I. Delta x is equal for all segments. In order to calculate the area under the curves, we have to find the area of each small rectangle, this one. First we have to multiply this line with delta x, which is about equal to 0.1, and then calculate of this rectangle, second rectangle, third rectangles of all segments. At the last we will divide all these rectangles and to calculate the all area under the curves. This area will be equal to the integration of x under root and dx from 0 to 1. So under to find this area, it takes about 2 minutes. This one, put the value x 0, then value 0.1, 0.2, because delta x about 0.1. 0.1 plus 0.1 is 0.2, 0.2 plus 1 is 0.3. In this way we have to calculate the area, and 0.1 is common here. 0.1 is common. When 0.1 is common, in this way calculate the area of 0.1 under root. We calculate it, and at the last we have multiplied 0.1. When we added all this below, we got 6.286 into 0.1. The answer is 0.63. But when we solve the same question in numericals and the same formula integration by the scientific calculator like this one, this is the scientific calculator of the KCO company, FX991MS. We can solve this integration by here the symbol of integration and derivative. When the same problem is solved by the scientific calculator, we got the result 0.667. So what is the interesting about that? The interesting thing about this video is when we solved this numericals integration numericals by the scientific calculator, I expected that it can solve within the second by just putting the video like this one. For example, under to calculate the video, we have to press this symbol integration, then under root alpha will be the x, comma, limit is from 0, comma 1, braces closed. So by just pressing the equal sign, we expect the result, that we can get the result easily. But it took about 8 minutes to solve this integration problem. Incredibly, it took about 8 minutes. I attempted this question several times by the calculator. In all in every event it took about 8 minutes for calculation only for this numericals, because this numerical consists of the floating values, decimal values, as you can see here, you can observe, and this floating point is not very easy for the calculator to solve very fast. So it takes about 8 minutes to solve this problem. For this, first I will press the button equal sign. You can see here this one. Now it start calculating the values. You can see there is no result. Here we can wait about 1 minute. After that I will pause the video, and after completion of the 7th minutes I will again turn on the video to see the result. So it takes about 8 minutes. After completing of the 8 minutes we will get answer of this 0.667 for the integration of this numerical for this problem. So wait in order to get the result. So after pausing the video, I again start the video. After completing of the 5 minutes, for other 3 minutes we have to again wait. You can do this for your own self, but the limit must be from 0 to 1, and the function must be equal to y is equal to x under root, because for other functions it may take less time, and for other limits from 0 to 10 or from 0 to 110,000 it may takes less time, but only from 0 to 1 it takes so large time, about 8 minutes. Unexpectedly and unexpectedly honestly, I am showing the result. In the middle I have paused the video just for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I again started the video. Here I am not touching the calculator. You can see the result here. Now the calculator will show the result about after 5 minutes. To remove the masks here, observe the old calculator in this way. I am expecting for the result after 8 minutes, after the completion of the 8 minutes, not 8 minutes of the video, but 8 minutes after pressing the equal sign for calculating the definite integration. So please wait to see what happens. Very interestingly, it needs the patient. Oh, we got the result now. After completing of the 8 seconds, you can see the screen. The answer is 0.667. This one is the integration of the x under root from 0 to 1. Press equals